Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to enable Gumroad Discover. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From where now we can get started. So from this homepage, the first thing you can do is going to log into your account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the homepage where on the left side of the screen we can find all the sections for managing our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. As you can see, one of the options is called Discover, and now you can open it up. So what I suggest for you to do is find this Help Center Gumroad Discover article. You're going to open in the Help Center from the bottom left corner and use the search bar to find the article. And this is going to enable you to take a look at what Gumroad Discover is, how to use it, and so on. So as you can see, the account level criteria for being eligible for Gumroad Discover is your payout settings must be filled in, and you need to reach a balance of at least $10 from enough genuine sales and be verified in our risk team in the risk review process. You want to complete this if you have not already. So once the above criteria are satisfied, a product will be listed on Discover if it made at least one successful sale, a category has been selected for a product, and ratings are enabled. So you want to follow all of this and open up the Gumroad Discover option just like I showed you and get started selling your items, and they're going to be added here automatically, and that's how it's done. So if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.